Just go back 5 years ago when I was a school-going child in 8th standard. I used to play cricket and I was much passionate about it. I planned to host a cricket tournament along with my friend. I was much anxious about it because it was my first experience for arrangement of it. Uh, I, along with my friend, planned to host it, and that event closed in a much better way than it was expected. Those childhood days and memories I want to celebrate with all of you guys. That were fantastic days, I think. And one thing is that I am missing a lot. That was my partner.
All right, thank you. So what happened to your partner?
टूर्नामेंट की रेंज में
उसको क्या बोलते हैं?